This tutorial will guide you on how to edit, split, and delete timesheets in StaffViz. Start by finding the monitoring module on your StaffViz navigation panel and click the timesheets from the drop-down options. This will open the timesheets panel. On this panel, you first need to select the user for whom the timesheets need to be altered. In the assignment section, you can select the project or course and all. Now you need to set the date range or the specific date for which you want to edit the time. Once the date is set, click the Apply Filter button. This is the timesheet report, so you can see StaffViz always record your time in slots. Let's say this is the time slot you want to edit the time for. Click the Edit Time button. A pop-up will appear, allowing you to allocate the pre-recorded work time to correct project, course, or even break. Fill out the form by selecting the project, course, or break in the type of section. In case you choose the course option in Type section, you just need to select the course to which you want to allocate the selected time. If you go back and select a project according to the type, you'll need to choose the specific project and next the task created within this project. This is how you define to which task you wish to allocate the recorded time. Next, you need to provide a valid reason for the edit. Click Save to apply the changes. This will allocate this time slot to the selected task, course, or break, whatever you choose. And this completes the timesheet editing part. Now let's move on to splitting time entries. Just repeat the previous process to find the relevant timesheets and select the time slot for which you want to split time. Click the Split Time button and a pop-up will appear. Split Time allows you to correct mistakenly tracked time. Fill out the form by selecting the project, course, or break. If a project is selected, choose the task associated with it. Next, provide a reason for the split. Next, you can adjust the time between the tasks to rectify your timesheets. Now suppose if an employee started the clock for the task A and forgot to start clock for task B. Using split time, you could split the time accurately between tasks A and B. Keep in mind that splitting time from the middle points will divide the entry into 3 time slots, just like slicing a piece of cake. Here you can see the total time slot is 40 minutes allocated to the current task. Now suppose I work 20 minutes on this task, let's say at task B. To rectify timesheet, I can allocate these 20 minutes by setting the time I worked on task B. So, let's say I started working on task B at 7:53. So I can set this timer in the From section. Here's you can see these 19 minutes and 44 seconds. This is the part of this total track time that I am going to allocate to task B. Now by simply click Save button and time will be splitted among desired tasks. This is how easy it is to split time in StaffViz. Now lastly, to delete a timesheet entry, click Action Options and click the Delete button. A pop-up will appear. Click Yes, delete this button, and the selected time slot will be permanently removed from the system. And with this, you've successfully deleted the time slot. That's how you can edit, split, and delete timesheets in StaffViz. Stay tuned for more updates on StaffViz.